I have brought her dreams, keeping in corneas of my eyes. I have come to see the land with the eyes of my mother, where she played with dolls. I have come to seek her childhood. I have come to caress satin tassels of the trees, where she oscillated on the swings. The city that I considered till yesterday, the city of thorns, I have come to distribute in the street bouquets of roses, the Iceland of peace, which is about to drown into the ocean of hatred. I have come to pour upon handfuls of the earth of my own share, the eyes whose dreams have been mortgaged across the 7 seas. I have come to embellish those eyes with some fresh dreams, written on the occasion of Bharat Yatra in the memory of poets. Mother.